In this video, I'll show you how to fix Outlook search not working. Now, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. To fix Outlook search issues, common solutions include restarting the application and ensuring the search is running, and most commonly, rebuilding the search index is very important. Now, let's start with the basic troubleshooting. The first thing I'd like you to do is restart your application. So that would mean totally quitting the application. We're gonna quit the application and we're gonna start it again. And if that doesn't work, then the next thing I would like you to do is check the search scope. Now, Outlook has a search scope where you can search current folders, subfolders, current mailbox, or all mailboxes. Subfolders are nested folders that are nested into one folder. And the last thing I'd like you to do is check for updates. Update the application, ensure that you have the latest application running. Now, I'd like to also talk about rebuilding the search index. Now, the search index is a common solution, as a corrupted index can prevent Outlook from finding the items. Now, this involves navigating through Outlook options to the index options and initiating the rebuild process. And that's how you fix Outlook search not working error. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.